Welcome back, guys. How are you? In last session, we prepared the glass jars. Today, we will be going for a test. Today, we are testing 9 glass jar and 1 metal tin jar. Out of this 9 glass jar, 4 glass jar are placed in second row, which has cotton braided wick. The one which you are seeing on the front row on the left side, it has flat wooden wick of different sizes like 15 mm, 13 mm, 10 mm, and 8 mm. And one glass jar, which is placed in extreme right, has a rolled wooden wick. So, out of this 9 glass jars, we will be selecting only 2 or 3 for a retest with fragrance oil. Today, we will be monitoring the glass jar very closely and will watch them burn till melt pool is created. These glass jars consist of 50% of coconut wax plus 50% of soy wax blended with 0.5% of Viber 260. We are testing the jars after keeping them for 5 days. These glass jars are 2.6 inch in diameter and the metal tin jar is 3 inch in diameter. For fragrance to spread in each corner of room, we need to have a good melt pool. And for a good melt pool, wax should burn from edge to edge of the jar. A good melt pool will result in a good hot throw. And what is hot throw? That is a release of fragrance from the wax while the candle is burning. It is advisable to at least let the candle burn for 1 hour continuously for a good melt pool. This both are roll wicks. This is 15 mm, 13 mm, 10 mm, and this is 8 mm. So we can see the result of rolled wick for this container. It is showing good result. I think this glass dimension diameter is small and the wick is big. So I think this will be the right one for this roll one. So now coming to 15 mm. Again, I think the wig is big enough for the glass. It need a bigger diameter. This diameter of glass is small. 13 mm is does burn for 15 minutes. All the candles they have burned for 15 minutes. And this 13 mm melt pool is good, but edge to edge is not burned, so we'll wait for some more time. I think this is a good wick 13 for this glass. Let's see. After 1 hour we'll see. This is 8 mm. 8 is also looking good right now. Let's see after some 15 minutes. This is small for this diameter. Melt pool has, see, this big is small for this. And the cotton wicks are not burning good. Let's see after 15 minutes. Since the flame was coming long, so I cut that. No, it is not burning properly. Anyway, this diameter is small. Glass diameter is small for this rolled wooden wick. It need a bigger diameter like this. So I will tell you, I will measure the diameter and I will tell you. Till now, test burned for 20 minutes and I can see this 13 is showing good result. Even this rolled wig also showing good result in tin jar. I think this 15 wig is bigger for this diameter. Let's see, we'll see after another 10 minutes. So this one is out of the game because this diameter of the glass is less for the wooden wig. It needs a bigger diameter glass like this. So in tin it is burning good. So one is out. I am going to shortlist which is burning better, which is having a good melt pool. We'll select that glass. So last 35 minutes, this jars are burning. Now we can see the milk pool. So I think this 8 mm is very small for this glass. So it needs a smaller diameter glass. And this one, this is 8 mm. This is burning okay now. It has been burning for last 35 minutes. This 13 mm I guess is also okay. 15 mm. Let's see after 10 minutes we'll see. And this round wick is good for this milk pool is good enough. And the wooden wicks, sorry, the cotton ones, they are just tunneling in the center only they are burning, and the wax which is out, this is outside the, is near to edge, that is not burning. It has been 35 minutes. This was the braided cotton wig. It is okay, but let's see after 10 minutes. So all the cotton wicks are out of cane. This is not burning nice. Braided is also not burning nice. They are not created melt pool, both the braided. So this 4 out. So we'll select out of this wooden wicks. This is also showing good result. This is 8, this is 15, 13, 10. So this 10 is showing good. 8 is again, it will be out. So out of this 15, 13 and 10, we'll select one. This is good for this tin. These are out. 1, 2, 3, 4. So last 40 minutes I have been testing the with these candles are burning since last 40 minutes. The problem which they are out of game, so we'll discontinue with this. We will shortlist among this 15 mm, 13 mm, 10 mm, 8 mm. So I guess again 8 mm is also out. So this is the result of after 50 minutes this jars has been burning. So this is out. So out of these three we have to select. This is okay for this. I guess this one is also okay. 13 mm. Okay, we'll see after another 10-15 minutes. Diameter of the glass is 6. We have to take from the inner side of the jar. So that is 6. 6 centimeter. Not actually, it's not 6. It is 6.5. Yeah, 6.5 centimeter. If you want to see in inches, then it is 2.6 inches. Okay, we'll see with this. An inch is coming. Take the inner center from here and measure inner or the outer. Okay, so inner, it is 2.67. So 2.7 inch. Okay, 2.7 inch. Centimeter, it is 6.8. 6.8 centimeter. Inch, it is 2.7. So now we measure this one from inside. So from inside it is 7.5 centimeter. Okay, 7.5 centimeter. And inches. See, take it from inside of the jar. So in inches, it will be 3 inch. So 3 inch for this rolled wooden wick. This one, that is 3. If you want to see in centimeter, then we'll measure from inside. That is 7.6, 7.5 again. 7.5. Right. So this is 10 mm wooden wick. So I think this is also out of game because it has burned for 55 minutes now. But still the wax has not come to edge. So out of the game. This is 15 mm, this is 13 mm. So now only competition between 15 and 13. And we'll see after 10 minutes. So now we'll see the result after 1 hour of burn. So conclusion of this wick testing is that for 15 mm wooden wick, that is this one, and for 13 mm wooden wick, jar size diameter should be 6.5 centimeter or 2.6 inch. For this rolled wooden wick, the appropriate jar size should be of diameter 7.5 centimeter or 3 inches. Actually both of them, they are showing good result. If the wax is touching to the edge, then the jar will become very hot very soon. But anyway, it has been burning for last 1 hour, but still I can touch it. Little bit only warm. Okay, now we'll see this one. So this is also warm. So they're showing good results. So 15 mm is also okay for this diameter. 13 mm is also good. So both of them are winners. And there is no competition for this. We'll go with this. This burning test was going on since last 2 hours 30 minutes. Okay, now you can see the melt pool. And what is melt pool? When the candle is burning from this edge to the other edge, and the wax is melted like a pool. So this is called a melt pool. And for good fragrance, we need this melt pool. Like it should burn from this edge to this edge. It will give a good fragrance. So this 15 mm wooden wick flat. This is 13 mm wooden wick flat. This is rolled, paper like rolled round wooden wick. It was a blend of 50% coconut and 50% soy wax. So this was my first test. Now we will be very soon we'll be going for the second test. I'm testing the candle after 5 days. Since I poured the wax in it and I kept it for curing, then after 5 days I'm doing the burning test with 15 mm wooden flat wig, and this is 13 mm wooden flat wick. This is the rolled wooden wick. So these three of them have been burning since 2 hours 30 minutes now, and you can see a very good melt pool. This the liquid, it has melted, and so we call this in our candle language melt pool. The wax, when it is burned from edge to edge, it has created a pool. And why I'm talking about this melt pool? The better the melt pool, we'll get a good fragrance out of this. The full house will be filled with the fragrance. So that is why we are testing this wicks, to get a good melt pool. And we already came to a conclusion regarding the diameter, 3 inch for this. So now what we'll do a retest with fragrance oil, or we can add essential oil also. So maybe for the test I will again give entry to 10 mm wig once more with the fragrance. Let's see how it will show the result.